3, 2, 1, back in the room with CBlakes2020. Basically, I've got a new unboxing video for everyone. And what I'm going to unbox today, you'll probably find in the comments somewhere up there, around there, down there. It's a Dell Core i5 Inspiron all-in-one PC. There's lots of demand for these kind of products. Today, we're going to do the unboxing video. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh my God, what did the man put in this thing? Oh, wow, that's what it is. That is what it is. My goodness, that is a absolute ton. Maybe the screen's a bit too big. It is 23 inches after all. That's obviously the screen. Obviously, I don't know whether it's the right way up. Got a keyboard, got a Dell. This stand here is not too bad actually. It's quite solid, it's firm. There's a few scratches on it. This is obviously metallic, metal itself. This is plastic. This is definitely going to hold the TV up. But this is obviously a Visa 100 by 100. Power cable, it's a UK plug. And I think it's the kettle version. Let's have a look. Yep, goes into the UK plug. That's cool. I'm pretty pleased about that. Yeah, he packed this nice. Okay, let's have a look at this keyboard. Brand new keyboard. It's wired gold, thin and light. Okay, let's have a look at this granddaddy. This does. Wait a look. All right, let's put this thing together. There you have it. The finished product all put together nicely. There's no issues with it. But let me just reach over here and see it boot up, see if it boots up. So obviously, if you want to see the user review, then you just click on the link up there.